Is your 2013 Kia Optima's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches, issues with the key fob, or a weak battery. Door and hood switches are magnetic sensors that detect if they are open or closed. If these switches corrode or become misaligned, they can send false signals, setting off the alarm. Key fob problems, like a dead battery or internal faults, can also cause erratic behavior. Finally, a weak car battery below 12.4 volts can lead to system glitches that trigger the alarm. If these are not the issue, the BCM may have to be looked at by a professional. First, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. Clean the contacts with electrical cleaner to remove any buildup. For the key fob, replace the battery first. If that doesn't resolve the issue, reprogramming might be necessary. Perform a battery reset by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the car's computer memory. Check the fuses related to the alarm system, such as the 28 fuse in the underhood fuse box. If issues persist or you're not comfortable with these steps, consult a professional mechanic.